This fantastic 4-month-old store is already racking up around $2,000 per month, which is approximately £24,000 per year. And it's only 4 months old, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it, what they're doing, and how smart they are in terms of like the idea behind it. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. Now, if you look at the store, you can see that they have this kind of Christian theme, if you like, and it says Christ Art Crafts. And so the name obviously reflects that. And what you can see is you got these beautiful, if you like, paintings or digital wall arts of Jesus and other, if you like, Christian faith imagery. They only have at the moment, and actually they've created a lot of listings in only 4 months. So my point is, yes, sometimes these niches where you focus on, let's say in this case, the Christian faith, or you focus on a particular niche can do very well. But I'm here to show you something slightly different, which is one of their trending designs that are starting to earn good money is already starting to do quite well in the kind of personalized niche area where you can create a design that is literally personalized for you. And I've done a video on this previously, but I'm going to show you also very quickly what I'm talking about. Now, the idea that I'm talking about is with regards to this listing. And this listing you can see here of Jesus hugging a person. And so what happens is the customer would send a photo of themselves, and then the seller would create a personalized portrait of them hugging Jesus, right? In a background. And it's ready in 4 hours. Now, this is a kind of custom or personalized gift. Now, this one listing, which is about 1 month old, is already making around $200 per month, which is fantastic. So it just gives you an idea of the kind of thing that you can do. And now the personalization, the custom niche is fantastic. And I do teach this in my academy. And in fact, you can see they're also offering other kind of personalized custom niches where you've got, if you like, not just hugging, but you've also got kind of Jesus reading to nursery children and various other things. So you can see clearly that they've doubled down on the kind of idea. They've also got other kind of biblical wall art, if you like, which are also quite nice. But this just shows you that sometimes when you're in a sort of niche idea, you can do quite well, especially if you expand your offering and you work on some of these personalized ones. And like I said, this one definitely is trending really well and is starting to sell very well. And it's only a 1 month old listing. I've actually done a video on exactly how to create something like this really quickly using AI. So make sure that you do check out the video. Now, let me also show you a different idea, again, in this kind of personalized sort of niche. Another store that's also doing very well. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, this is another store. Again, it's in the personalized niche, if you like, where you'd give the customer, the seller, a photo of your pet, and they would create some images around it. Now, this store is only a 7-month store. Again, it's in that sort of custom, as I said, the custom niche, and it's already making over $7,000 per month. And it's only got 22 listings, which is absolutely phenomenal, right? This is phenomenal. Again, they are in a particular niche, which is the pets or the pet portraits. They seem to have them in sort of these funny ones on a toilet, in a bath, with a toilet tissue on the head. They also have some other ideas where they have these kind of chef and cat imagery. Chef and what else do they have? Yeah, chefs. So chef animals. bath animals and stuff like that, where literally you send them photo and they will create a fantastic portrait from this. Now, again, these are super, super easy to produce, where literally you just get an image of the dog, and using the power of AI, you can create these really quickly. Let me just show you this one particular listing where they offer a set of 4 different designs. This bestseller is making approximately $4,000 per month. And what you would do is you send the seller, a photo of your dog, and you'd very quickly create a piece of wall art like this. So it is quite simple to do, and it is quite cool. And you can see lots of these. They are quite funny, to be fair. They are quite fun, right? Look at these. Okay. And you can see they are very easy. Well, you can't see that they're very easy to produce. I want to show you how easy it is to produce one of these really quickly. So check this out. Okay, I'm on Kittl, my go-to editing and design platform where I can create anything really, really quickly using AI. You can see that I've just opened up a page right now. You can actually try out Kittl. The link is below, and you can get 25% off all the plans. Now, first things first, let's imagine that a customer sends you an image of their dog, right? So what you need to do is you need to upload the image. So I'm just going to upload the image of the dog. Open. There you go. Now it's uploading. And what I'm going to say is create a portrait of the dog sitting in a bubbly bath, smiling with black glasses on and a rubber duck on the head. Make sure image is in black and white. So this is obviously a funny image of the dog sitting in a bath with the bubbles around and the rubber duck on the head, right, with glasses on. Just like one of them funny portraits that I've seen. Okay, and that's all I've done. I've done a string of words, prompt they call it, and these are the design models. I'm choosing Nano Banana. Remember, I teach all of this in my academy, so definitely do check it out. And then I click generate, right? Simple as that. Nothing complicated. Should take about 20-30 seconds using Nano Banana. Let's see what the results are. Sometimes you do need to change, tweak, amend, improve things slightly, which is quite normal, but that's okay. But guys, as a first attempt, right, this is fantastic. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look, that's my first attempt, right? Fantastic. Look at that. That looks amazing. That actually looks. I can increase the bubbles, make sure it's more bubbly. Look at a rubber duck. I can change the glasses. I can change the rubber duck. I can change anything I want, right? But it just gives you an idea of the power of AI and these funny pics, which people love, these funny pet portraits. This just shows you the kind of things that you can produce with these kind of personalized AI designs that people love, people buy as gifts, people just absolutely can't get enough of. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.